Kodi or Stremio? Which media player should you pick? Let's break it down. Stremio is simple to use with built-in content suggestions right from the start. You could pick your favorite genres and boom, you're watching. Kodi takes more time to set up with add-ons and different layouts. It's powerful but needs patience. If you want something quick, Stremio wins here. Kodi has tons of add-ons covering movies, shows, live sports, and more. The options are endless. Stremio only has around 6 official add-ons with a few dozen community options, but those add-ons cover Netflix, YouTube, and most major platforms. For casual viewers, Stremio has enough. Power users will love Kodi's massive library. Stremio is light and fast with minimal buffering. Kodi is heavier and videos can buffer depending on the add-on you use. Stremio streams content directly from servers, which reduces buffering problems. Kodi downloads add-ons to your device, which takes up space but gives you more control. Kodi is king here. You can change skins completely, rearrange menus, and even use custom builds. It's like building your own streaming service. Stremio offers very little customization with a consistent interface across all devices. Simple, but you can't really change how it looks. Kodi add-ons can be unstable and shut down without warning. Third-party developers make them so they can break anytime. Stremio add-ons stream directly from platforms and are maintained by those platforms. This means fewer disruptions and more reliable streaming. Choose Stremio if you want simple, fast streaming with no hassle, and choose Kodi if you want endless options and total control. Both are free and powerful, it just depends on what you value more.